Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see how to install a Drupal site in DrupalForge. So first now I'm going to use a template of Drupal AI. So click on it. So here you have to give the answer for this math question. 7 and then express launch. So you can see the site is get ready within few seconds. And then here you can see this is the application URL, your Drupal site URL, and login URL, which is user/login, and username and password for your Drupal site. And this is for cloud environment, so you can access VS Code in the browser itself. You don't even need to install VS Code in your system. You can use VS Code in the browser itself. And then first click on your login URL and username and password is admin. So admin. Now the site is launched and it is already logged in here. So whatever module required for AA, everything will be pre-configured here. And when you go to configuration area and providers setting, so you can see here the key everything is added. So what you have to do, you just have to explore all the AI feature principle, or if you want to build any feature, you can build here. And this will be available in your My App link. If you go here and see, you can see the application will be here and it is in running stage. So here you can see there is a time remaining, which means the site will be active for 1 hour right now. If you want, you can extend the time by clicking on this. So you can click on it. You can even install any Drupal instance in DrupalForge, but it will be available only for 2 hours. After that, the site will be passed. But if you want to use any site more than 2 hours, you have to log in and you have to create an instance here. So when you click on again, it will be around 3 almost 4 hours. You can go up to 12 hours in this. So after 12 hours, the site will be passed. You can go to manage and you can so I will explain everything in next video. You can resume here. I will post everything on a separate video, how to manage this site. And if you are having any application and if you are not touching for 7 days, the site will be deleted automatically from DrupalForge. And then next one is if you have any website and if you are working actively, it will be available in DrupalForge for only 30 days. If you want to work on the site more than 30 days, you have to pay for it. So this is how you have to set up a Drupal site in DrupalForge. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.